Okay guys, I did a boss job on this, man. Let me show you guys inside here. See, that's the one weld there, and that's the other side there. What I did is I used the Phillips to dig into the plastic a little bit, and then I used a flat screwdriver to move the plastic around. I don't think that will ever crack again. It's in there. It's in there really good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to move that around a little bit more. I think I'm almost out of propane too. You know, when the winter comes like this, I always try to buy a fresh tank of propane gas. You never know when you're going to need it. Pipe breaks, or you have to thaw out a lock outside. Okay, that's just about ready. That's pretty good. Let me touch that bottom one up a little bit more, guys, and I think we're done. Okay, I think that's done. That will never crack again. Well, that's what I did. I used a Phillips. That way I could dig in, I could channel a little bit. And then with the Phillips and the flat screwdriver, I moved the plastic around. See, that's not cracking no more, Mike. We'll sand this down and we'll add some spot putty on it. Now with this, I'm not gonna paint the entire fairing. What I'm going to do here, I'll show you guys how you do this. We're going to prime this, and we're going to sand the primer down. Then once we spray it with the paint, we'll wet sand the paint and we'll buff it in. And I just might save my old nose. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do with it. Okay, catch you in the next video.